You're still angry at AI in 2026? Man, we need to talk. There are people, graphic designers, social media managers, video editors, photographers, coders who are still on the internet in 2026 actively fighting AI in their creative daily work, writing long posts about why AI art is not real art, making videos about why AI will never replace human creativity, going into comment sections of people using AI tools and typing paragraphs. My friend, the billboard outside your window was made with AI. That is just reality. The ad you just skipped on YouTube, AI. The influencer in that ad might not even be a real human. And the business that made that ad paid a fraction of what they used to pay. While you were busy being angry, the world already moved. Let me give you some perspective. In 2026, AI is not coming for creative jobs. It already came. It knocked. Nobody answered. So it let itself in, sat down, made coffee, and started working. The question is no longer, will AI replace me? And the answer to that second question is already yes. It is already happening right now, today. And I want to talk specifically to businesses in Kenya, in Nairobi, in Mombasa, in Kisumu, because this is where the opportunity is insane right now. You know those billboards you see around Nairobi? The ones with those perfect looking models, that perfect lighting, that cinematic background? A significant number of those are AI generated. You know those ads running on Instagram and TikTok for Kenyan brands with the clean voiceover, the sharp graphics, the professional feel? AI tools, AI avatars, AI generated copy. And those brands are not doing it because they hate creatives, but for efficiency. They're doing it because a campaign that used to cost them 200,000 shillings now costs them 20,000 shillings. And it performs better. Because AI does not have a bad day. AI does not miss a deadline. AI does not charge extra for revisions. That is the reality of business in Kenya right now. And the businesses embracing it are quietly pulling ahead of everyone who isn't. Now, and I want to be very clear about this, AI alone produces garbage. I mean it. An AI image with no human direction looks generic. An AI video with no human strategy looks soulless. An AI ad with no human understanding of culture, of emotion, of what makes a Kenyan customer stop scrolling performs terribly, lacking the necessary nuance for success. The magic is not AI. The magic is a human being who understands branding, understands their audience, understands storytelling, and uses AI as the most powerful tool in their hands. AI is the brush. You are still the artist. The difference is with AI, you paint 10 times faster and a fraction of the cost, which results that used to require an entire agency. That is not a threat to creativity. That is the greatest creative opportunity of our lifetime. Let me make this real. A small business in Nairobi right now can use AI to create a billboard quality graphic without hiring a designer for 30,000 shillings. They can create a UGC-style ad, the kind that looks like a real customer filmed it on their phone without hiring an influencer for 50,000 shillings. They can create a professional video ad with a realistic AI avatar, voiceover, visuals, and captions in under 2 hours. They can build an entire brand identity, logo, color palette, brand voice in a day. And then a human, someone who understands the market, understands the customer, understands what makes content convert, tweaks it, humanizes it, makes it unique, makes it theirs. That combination, AI speed and power plus human strategy and culture, is unstoppable. That is what I do for businesses, and the results speak for themselves. So if you are a business owner watching this, in Nairobi, in Lagos, in London, in New York, and you're still paying agency prices for content that AI could help produce in hours, so consider the time saved. Or if you're a creative who has been resisting AI because it feels like betrayal, I want you to hear this clearly. The creatives who will dominate the next 10 years, they are not the ones who are the most talented, they are the ones who are the most adaptable. AI is not your enemy, your resistance to it is. WhatsApp link is in my bio. Let's build something together and change the world for the better today.